Hey everybody, thank you for tuning back into Mango Sizzle and Spice. Today we will be making teriyaki chicken, and I'm starting right over here with my noodles. I decided to use fettuccine noodles because I like my noodles a little bit thicker, and I'm gonna make some homemade teriyaki sauce. So stay tuned. I'm gonna let this bubble and we're gonna get it popping. Okay y'all, so I went ahead and I'm using some Asian sweet chili wing sauce for our teriyaki. Get this right at Walmart or any of your local grocery stores. And then I'm gonna use some Bragg apple cider vinegar. Put a little bit of that in there. It's about a teaspoon. Then I'm gonna use a little bit of turmeric. For those of you guys has acid reflux, this is really, really good for inflammation. I'm gonna go ahead and put some garlic powder in there. A little bit of paprika. About another tablespoon. I'm eyeballing it, but you can do by your discretion. And a little bit of orange juice. You can use any orange juice that you like. And I'll stir it. Guys, if you can smell this, oh my God. Stir it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit. We'll come over here and go ahead and drain our noodles. Okay guys, now I'm gonna come in here and get the stir fry on. We got our noodles going. Gonna use a little bit of vegetable oil in a butter form. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic, our garlic powder that we have, and I'm also gonna add a little bit of basil for that flavor. Throw that around. Get that flavor in. Hey guys, so I went ahead and already made the chicken. For the seasoning, all I used was some ground pepper, basil, and a little bit of garlic. Come back over to our noodles. Add our chicken in. Let that get in there. Let that sizzle. All right, y'all. Now that we got that going, I'm going to go ahead and take the pleasure of adding our sauce in. Let that marinate. Let it marinate for about 2 to 5 minutes, y'all. Okay? All right, y'all. Now we're all done. Go over here and transfer it onto our plate. Yes. Yummy. And until next time, y'all, I want to thank everybody for tuning in to Mango Sizzle and Spice. Today, we made some chicken teriyaki, and I hope you guys tune in for our next show. Mwah.